Solve
solve
the following
the following
problems.
problems.
Gary
Gary
has built
has built
15 meters
15 meters
of fence.
of fence.
He estimates
Estimate
that this
this
is about
is about
5/8
5/8
of the whole
the whole
fence.
fence.
How long
How long
will the fence
fence
be?
be?
Mr. Angeles glued together
Group together
strips
strip
of wood
of
with the following
following
leads:
leads
3.5
3.5
centimeter,
centimeter
2 centimeter,
2 centimeter
3 and 5/8 centimeter,
3 point ano
3
3
and 5/8 centimeter,
5 centimeter 8
and
and
4
4
5
5
by 16
by 16
centimeter.
centimeter
What was
was
the total width of this
this
finish board?
word
Anyong, Korean, hello.
hello
Anyong nga sanika. Anyong nga sanika. Sa umaga, ano sasabihin mo? Anyong. Anyong nga sanika. Anyong nga sayo. Tatlong klase ang pagsasabi ng hello sa Korean. Anyong. Ano sasabihin mo kapag may katapat kang Koreano? Kunyari kausap mo Koreano. Anyong. Hello. Halimbawa, Koreano ako. Ano sasabihin mo sa akin? Anyong. Ibig sabihin nun, hello. O, di ba, nagkita tayo ngayon. Ano sasabihin mo sa akin? Anyong. Ibig sabihin nun, hello. Anyong. Anyong. Anyong nga sanika. Anyong nga sayo. Anyong nga